Hi everyone, this is Alina Dipton and this is my second assignment of week 2 at Coursera Capstone 2. Alright, so hello students, how are you doing? How's your mood? Great! I hope your weather is more or less alright. Is it? Okay, great. Alright, so just imagine. Just recently, I had a chance to meet a friend of mine who I hadn't seen for a while, and he told me that he had quit the job, a well-paid job, at a multinational company, and now he's a freelancer and he gets much smaller salary, but he's quite fine with that. How does it sound to you? What do you think about his decision? Yeah, that's pretty interesting and tricky, isn't it? Yeah, well, I like your ideas, I like your suggestions. And today we're gonna watch a video about a man with the same situation. So he will be talking about 3 important lessons that he managed to learn throughout his working life, throughout his career. And so I hope it will be interesting for you. And we will look into some really interesting phrases related to burnout, work-life balance, and we'll be able to use them while talking about our jobs using this vocabulary. So let's get started. I would like you to open your Jamboard now. So you're gonna see 5 frames and there are 5 pictures on each of them, and there are some stickers with the phrases that are hidden right behind each of these pictures. Your task is to try to guess what kind of phrase is hidden behind each of these pictures, alright? So let's talk about the first picture. What do you see on it? Yeah. What kind of job does this rabbit have? Is he satisfied with it? And you can also see the very first letters of the phrases, right? So try to guess. Any suggestions? No, not exactly. Meaningful. Yeah, that's a good variant, but we need another word. We have to show the contrast. Do you think this rabbit really has a meaningful job? And his face looks like that in case he has a meaningful job. Do you think it is true? No, of course, it's not like that. Yeah, great. Meaningless. Without any meaning. Pointless. Meaningless. What other synonyms do you know for this word? Yeah, that was a good one. Let's move to the next one. Alright, now that we have already discussed all these phrases, let's answer the questions. Question number 1. What forces people to take the plunge and start doing what they really want? How do you usually withstand criticism? Do people feel like a spinning cog inside of a machine if they work at a multinational company? And is it a good feeling? Alright. So, now, before we start watching the actual video, think about the title of the video. 3 important lessons, yeah? So what exactly lessons, which lessons do you think he will mention? This man. His name is Vincent, by the way. Yeah, great suggestions. Okay, so while you will be watching the video now, pay attention. The new words are used in the context, and answer the question whether he will mention all these lessons or maybe some part of them, and compare your suggestions with what you will see. So we are watching the first 2 minutes now. All right. Do you have any questions? Were all of your ideas that you mentioned correct? And in general, does he like his job? Yeah, you're right, he doesn't. Okay. Now, please watch the next 5 minutes of the video and choose whether the statements are true or false. So you have a document each. Please tell me in case you don't have any document. Okay, so we're working in pairs. You have to decide whether the statements are true or false. And after that, you will have to, so you decide whether they are true or false on your own. But after that, you will have to check these ideas together with your partner. All right? So now we're watching the next 5 minutes of the video.